Now here, this feels like it's protruding just a little bit because I did take a shaving off this face. So I want it flush. It's not the wood that's protruding, it's the iron slightly, ever so slightly. So this is just a gnat's whisker really. So slacken, just turn a quarter or even an eighth of a turn and take that down like that. To perfect the depth, now it's perfectly flush. This will be slightly less, but I'm not going to worry about that. I don't want this wedge to go past the end, but I want to keep it about that length.